പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, തിരക്കേറിയ കോട്ടയം എന്ന അക്ഷരനഗരിയിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്കേവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഞാൻ ടോം മാത്യു. നീണ്ട 6 വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചു വളർന്ന ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ വായി നോക്കിയ നഗരവീതിയിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും 5 മിനിറ്റിനടുത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ കൂട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടുപോവുകയാണ്. സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, സഞ്ചാരത്തിൻ്റെ വേറൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലോട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്കേവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Hello everybody, I am standing in front of Tirunakara Kshetram, Kottayam, Kerala. The Tirunakara Sri Mahadevar Kshetram or temple situated in the heart of Kottayam city is one of the famous Shiva temples in central Kerala. The elevated area where the temple is situated once called Nagarakunnu because of the presence of the sacred shrine came to known as the Tirunakara, which means the sacred Nagara. The temple was constructed 5 centuries ago, that is on 16th century, by one of the native king called Tekkumkur Raja, who ruled from Talikota, which is west of the present city. As this temple was constructed on the basis of a divine dream shown to the king by the Lord Vadakkanathan, it bears many resemblance to the Vadakkanathan temple, Thrissur. Lord Shiva, the presiding deity, is not a ferocious god, but too calm and gentle that the devotees feel at easy to worship and pray. The spontaneously emerged Shiva Linga is about 6 inches height, and to the left of it stands a small ideal of goddesses Parvati as well. The temple is surrounded by a massive stone wall, is characterized by a typical Kerala style architecture. The inner wall of the Sri Kovil is adorned with impressive images from the Hindu mythology. Being a significant Shiva temple, devotees from all over the India seek blessings from Lord Shiva. The Painkuni festival, conducted during the first 10 days of the Malayalam month Meenam, which is usually the 14th to 23rd of March of every year, is the main festival of the temple. The special pujas and cultural events and the Pakil Puram performed during the festival captures the attraction of devotees all around India as well as art lovers.
எழுந்தருள்வாய் மூவுலகும் காத்தருள எழுந்தருள்வாய் எழுந்தருள்வாய் கோவிந்தா வேங்கடவாய் எழுந்தருள்வாய் போர் புரிந்து மதுகையிடத் தமையழித்தான் உளத்தொழியே பாரனைத்தும் காத்தளிக்கும் பேரழகில் அருள்